know that transformations preserve size and shape but may change orientation. And our goal today is to identify what type of transformation took place. So we're going to start with this first example, right? We have this starting shape, our pre-image A, B, C, and then our image A prime, B prime, and C prime. Now, we need to ask ourselves, did the orientation change? And if so, how? Looking at this, it looks like it stayed exactly the same. So it looks like our shape was just slid from here to here. That would be a translation, right? So our transformation would be a translation. Now we just need to figure out, how did we translate it, right? So I'm gonna take this point, we'll go with C, right? And I'm gonna figure out, well, we went to the left, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 units to the left, right? So if we're thinking about our graph, we actually subtracted 8 from our x value. So for our rule, we're gonna write x minus 8. We subtracted 8, we're going to the left, that's negative. Now, we went down 1, 2. Now think for a second, what are we doing with our y? What's gonna happen? We're going to have y minus 2. Now, we have a second example here, and we need to take a look at this and see, well, okay, our orientation changed a little bit. Does it look like we mirrored our image? Probably not. Does it look like we took it and cranked it and rotated it? Maybe a little bit, right? Now, you might want to go watch my video on transformation rules, where we talked about the rules for rotation. But looking at this here, this is our x, y, z. This is our x prime, y prime, z prime. We rotated counterclockwise, right? And I think we rotated by about 90 degrees, because if we went further, 180 degrees, it'd be up here, 270 would be over here. So I'm going to put rotate, and I'm going to include that 90 degrees counterclockwise. Now, our rule for rotating 90 degrees counterclockwise has us taking our coordinates. So this x here is going to be -6, -2. It has us both flipping the coordinates and changing the sign of the first one. So first of all, we flipped our coordinates. So instead of putting x, y up here, I'm going to put y, x. And we changed that sign of the first value. That -2 over here flipped and became positive. So I'm going to put a negative sign up here. Now this negative doesn't mean it's always going to be negative. It means that's going to change the sign. If it's positive, it becomes negative. If it's negative, it becomes positive.